Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Denby light grey vertical wax large mug. So let's go ahead and unpack it. So wrapped inside this wrapping paper is the Denby light grey vertical wax large mug. So let's remove the wrapping paper by unwrapping it, of course. To reveal the Denby light grey vertical wax large mug. I'm just moving that wrapping paper to the side and giving you a nice good look at this large stoneware hand decorated mug. So let's set it on the tabletop just to give you a nice clear view before I start handling it. So there are two versions of this mug in terms of the colorway. So this is the light grey version. There's also a dark grey version. So just giving you an idea of the size of the mug, resting it in my palm right there. And just giving you another view from another angle. And now taking a close-up look at the mug. So you can see there are vertical stripes along the surface of the mug with some dark blue and light blue striations. So it is a wax crayon mug in terms of the design right there, and with a glossy glaze applied. And just taking a close-up look at the tag. And right there. So it does come with Denby's 10-year guarantee. And this mug is dishwasher, freezer, and let me say that again. It is dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. And just taking a look on the inside of the mug. So obviously there's some storage dust inside, but that's just fine. But you can see that the mug is tapered or contoured from the top, tapering down to a narrower bottom. So the mug measures 9 centimeters deep, and lengthwise, in terms of the maximum dimensions, it measures 13 centimeters across right there, and measures 9.5 centimeters in diameter. So once again, those dimensions are 13 centimeters across all the way to the tip of the handle, and then the depth 9 centimeters, and the diameter is 9.5 centimeters. And the total capacity of this mug is 400 milliliters. And just giving you a close-up look on the underside of the mug. So made in England. And it's nice to know that it comes with Denby's 10-year guarantee. So let's get the tag off the handle of the mug so that you have a clearer view of the design of this Denby light grey vertical wax large mug. So right here, giving you a nice clear look. I'm just going to set the tag further out on the right hand side of the frame so it doesn't interfere with the foreground as we focus on it. So giving you a nice clear look at the glossy glaze of this stoneware mug, and giving you some idea of the kind of size as well, and perspective right there, gripping it by the handle in my hand. And of course giving you that close-up look. And just going to tap on the mug just to give you some idea of the density of this mug. So it measures 330 grams in weight with a 400 milliliter capacity. So a fairly or reasonably large mug, and just giving you an overall look close up to the details of this mug with its vertical wax stripe decorations right around the entirety of the mug. So you can see, giving you that close-up look. At the glossy glazed surface, and of course you can see those little pores and channels that form the vertical stripes of the mug. And of course that handle as well. So nice and solid. And taking a close-up look at the underside of the mug right there with the Denby logo. So you can see that the rim on the underside of the mug is untreated, so it does have a slightly rough texture. And you can see, of course, the natural stoneware color of the mug as well. So right there is the Denby light grey vertical wax large mug. And then of course taking a close-up look at the tag on it as well, right there. And just placing it between my hands to give you hopefully a better idea of the size of this mug or cup. So that's the Denby light grey vertical wax large mug. Thanks for watching and happy drinking!